If you see a ghostly blue or violet flame on airplane wings, that's called St. Elmo's fire, but actually, it's not fire, it's plasma. The thing is, during a storm, electric fields build up around sharp points. It gets so intense that it causes electrons to rip off air molecules and create that glowing plasma, kind of like a neon sign. Subscribe. This bed swallows you whole during an earthquake. Let's say there's some seismic vibrations. Well, it's going to instantly drop you into a reinforced metal box to protect you from collapsing debris. It has air vents that allow fresh air in while filtering out dust and smoke. Standard ones come with 3 liters of water per day, emergency food bars, flashlight, basic medical supplies. But if you upgrade to luxury, those can come with a small TV and even a cycling machine. And it's designed to keep you alive 3 to 7 days. Subscribe. The tallest land animal ever stood 60 feet tall. If you were to put a giraffe next to it, it barely reaches shoulder. Its head would tower above a 6th building, and each neck vertebra was over 4 feet long. If you know the name of this dinosaur, comment below. Subscribe. The mucus on its tongue is 400 times thicker than your saliva. If you were an insect, it'll feel like he smacked you with biological superglue. But the crazy part, that sticky tongue strikes you with 50 G's of force. Then it retracts like a bungee cord and hauls you straight into his mouth. And it does that faster than the blink of an eye. And that's why the chameleon has the fastest tongue strike in the world. Subscribe. If you puncture your eyeball, the reason why it won't leak like water? Well, your eye isn't just a sack of liquid. It's filled with a gel-like fluid. It's called vitreous humor. It's kind of like clear jello. So if it's damaged, it doesn't gush, but it's going to ooze slowly, right? Problem is, once that gel starts leaking, the eye can collapse and the retina can detach. And that's why even a small puncture is a medical emergency. Zombies are real. So there's a parasite called a hairworm. It grows silently inside the praying mantis, and it can even grow to over 3 feet long. The mantis stays normal until one day the worm decides it wants water. So then it hijacks the mantis's brain, forces it to jump into a pond. The thing is, praying mantises can't really swim, so then the worm bursts out, leaving the mantis to drown. Subscribe. If you eat a chicken bone, pretty much you're swallowing a handful of tiny knives. The thing is, when you chew a chicken bone, it splinters into razor-sharp shards. Those shards can slice your throat, tear open your intestines, or punch holes in your stomach. You might feel fine at first, but bleeding and infections can start hours later. It's actually more dangerous than swallowing fish bone. Subscribe. Its heart is the size of a small car. Each heartbeat is so powerful, it can pump enough blood to fill 1 bathtub and circulate it through its 100-foot long body. The blue whale's heart is so big, it can beat as slowly as 2 times a minute, allowing it to hold its breath for over 30 minutes while swimming deep. Subscribe. Its main artery is so big, a toddler can literally crawl through it. I'm talking about the blue whale. Its aorta is up to 1 foot wide. The thing is, each heartbeat is so powerful, you can hear it from 2 miles away underwater. Subscribe. The largest tongue on Earth belongs to the blue whale. It's bigger than a king-size bed, and it weighs as much as an elephant. But the strangest tongue isn't about size at all. Guess which animal can shoot its tongue out the fastest? Subscribe to find out. The blue whale isn't just the biggest creature alive, but it's also the largest animal to ever live on Earth, even outweighing the largest dinosaur. Its length is longer than an NBA basketball court, and is heavier than 25 elephants combined. It eats nearly 8,000 pounds of krill every day, which is like 2 pickup trucks worth of food. But the crazy part? Its throat is just the size of a grapefruit. Subscribe. It's just a myth that chameleons change colors just to hide. The real reason why they flash colors is to impress their mates, show off their mood, and regulate their body temperature. Bright colors mean aggression or dominance. Dark colors mean stress or submission. If they're feeling cold, they turn dark to soak up heat. If they're too hot, they lighten up to cool down. So camouflage is just a side benefit, it's not the main purpose. Subscribe. A chameleon can change color in as little as 10 seconds, but the crazy part is how it works. Basically, its skin has nanocrystals, which are super tiny crystals that are smaller than the wavelength of light. And these crystals are arranged in layers. When it stretches or relaxes its skin, it changes the spacing between the crystals, which shifts how light scatters and reflects to cause different colors. And that's why the chameleon is a living mood ring powered by nanotech. Subscribe. Can a dead person's face be used to unlock his phone? Well, believe it or not, Face ID checks for signs of life. It doesn't just scan your facial features, but it also detects heat and looks for eye movement, attention, and micro movements.
So by default, it won't unlock unless your eyes are open and looking at the screen. But even with open eyes, a deceased person won't show the tiny eye movements or muscle activity that Face ID requires. Subscribe. Can the finger of a dead person fool Touch ID? Well, the way Touch ID works, the sensor scans a detailed map of a fingerprint's ridges, valleys, and depth, but also it scans below the skin surface. The sensor uses capacitive touch, meaning it detects tiny electrical signals from living skin. But the thing is, once the finger grows cold or starts dying, it loses that charge, and that's why Touch ID fails after death, typically within hours. Subscribe.
There's a parasite in cat poop that can hack your brain and may even change how you feel about cats. It's called Toxoplasma gondii, and once it gets inside your brain, it messes with your fear response. They found in rodents, the parasite makes them attracted to cat scent, which of course only gets them eaten. But in humans, some studies suggest a possible link to increased risk-taking, slower reaction times, and maybe higher affection for cats. Up to 15% of Americans may already have it, but most without symptoms. Subscribe. Some people can't digest certain plant fibers. In rare cases, the fibers clump into hard balls called bezoars, and they can block the small intestine, causing ulcers and bleeding. But here's the wild part. In some cases, Coca-Cola has been used to dissolve bezoars because of the soda's high acidity and carbonization. Subscribe.
The Earth spins at about 1,037 miles an hour, but you don't feel a thing. And the reason is, you're moving with it at a constant speed. It's like riding in a smooth car going 70 miles an hour on cruise control. You feel motion only when there's a change, like braking or turning, right? Well, the Earth's rotation doesn't change speed, so there's no jolt, no sensation, but also gravity holds everything tight to the surface, overpowering any outward push. And since the atmosphere is spinning with it, there's no wind resistance. Basically, we're riding a perfectly balanced high-speed planet. Subscribe. If you and your friend push on a door from opposite sides with the same force, the door won't move, right? Well, sound waves work the same way. Tiny microphones on your headphone pick up outside noise, and your headphones simultaneously create opposite sound wave. When the two waves meet, they cancel each other out, and this is called destructive interference. Smoking meat can cause cancer. Reason is, burning wood or charcoal produces smoke that contains polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons or PAHs. But also when the meat fat drips onto any hot surface, it too burns and creates smoke containing PAH. Since smoking is a long, slow process, that exposure to PAH is continuous and it accumulates. So when you eat smoked meat, your liver adds oxygen atoms to PAH, and it does that to make them water soluble. But the problem is, this can create unstable molecules that damage DNA in your cells and cause mutations that lead to cancer. Subscribe.
If stomach acid digests your food, why doesn't it digest your stomach? Well, the thing is, stomach acid has a pH of 1.5 to 3.5, and to neutralize it, you need something alkaline. But if you neutralize all of the acid, well then your food can't be digested, right? That's why your stomach has a mucus lining that produces an alkaline called bicarbonate, and it neutralizes only its stomach lining without impacting the rest of the acid. Subscribe.
It eats your face from the inside out, literally. The fungus itself isn't black, but the infection kills tissues and turns parts of your face black, usually around the nose, eyes, or mouth. And the reason why it's nearly impossible to kill is because it grows deep into your blood vessels. Antifungal meds can't reach it fast enough because it grows so fast, sometimes within days. And that's why doctors may have to remove an eye or part of your jaw just to stop it from spreading to your brain. Subscribe.